landed in Chicago and checking out my first Triple D place out here, Rex Italian. Hitting our second Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives place here in Chicago. Alright guys, I'm outside the Willis Tower, formerly known as the Sears Tower. My cousin actually works in this building, but because of coronavirus, he's actually working from home right now. We also wanted to go up to the observation deck and do the old lean against the glass like in Ferris Bueller's Day Off, but couldn't get tickets. So I don't know if it's sold out or they're just not doing tours right now, but we couldn't get them. So we actually got tickets for the Hancock building, so we're gonna go check that out later. Bridge is coming up over the Chicago River. Alright guys, we're at Calder's Flamingo, otherwise known as the Flamingo Sculpture. One of the things featured in Ferris Bueller's Day Off. It's kind of a great shot. I was across the street taking a picture of Calder's Flamingo and noticed that the Willis Tower is in the background. So we got two Ferris Bueller's icons in the same frame. Pretty cool. Cloud Gate, otherwise known as the Bean, or the Bean Chicago. The Chicago River, also another feature in Ferris Bueller's Day Off, and famous for many other reasons. Pretty cool. And the color on it's pretty cool too. The light comes off the buildings. Get some pretty good colors down in here. Trump Tower, right on the Chicago River. This is the Magnificent Mile area. All kinds of shops. Some of them are closed due to coronavirus and the riots, but a lot of them still open for now. Alright, another shot of the Chicago River and the other side of the Trump Tower. We're entering the Riverwalk. Goes down by the river, pretty cool. Right there, right here, on the step. This is what's called Death Alley. I'm not gonna walk down there, but the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, that's where they trade gold and silver. That's also in the Ferris Bueller movie where that scene occurs. Another stop on our tour of Chicago, the famous Wrigley Field. Pretty cool to be here. We're at the Hancock Tower. We're gonna go up to the 360 observation deck up top.
Those features. All right, 94 floors and 40 seconds, 1,030 feet.
Cool, I got a burger.